My famous scorpion kick, okay? Kick I invented many years back and first competed with in the 1999 WK World Championships. Alright, so, little fun fact there for you. And so moving on with the kick, I'm going to show you a demonstration of this kick first, and then we'll break the kick down afterwards. So, demonstration of the kick first. So, one of the ways I realised that I could do this kick, or how to do this kick, was basically that I was holding onto a window like this, and I was just swinging my leg behind me, trying to reach the wall in front of me, okay? So I was just swinging my leg and trying, and I kept trying to touch the wall in front of me with the ball of my foot. And then I decided to turn it into a kick. But in doing so, it's a really good exercise and stretch to just get the knowledge of how to do this kick. So we're gonna start here first, okay? So if you've got like a ledge or something that you can hold on to, if not, a wall is perfectly fine. And you're gonna just place two hands on the wall. You're gonna keep your body and your torso facing forwards, and then you're gonna pick up one of your legs, and this kick doesn't come up like this, okay? It's not like the gymnast scorpion kick or the cheerleading scorpion kick. It's slight different variation. So from here, both of my hands are on the wall, and I'm gonna bring my knee up and turn my hips out, okay? Look how my hips have really turned outwards, and this knee is pointing up to the ceiling, not down to the floor, okay? So it's this way. So from here, watch what happens when I swing. I'm gonna start with my foot on the wall, just to gain that momentum to swing through. And as I swing, I turn that leg out, okay? So here, I'm gonna swing, turn. All right, and that's exactly where you start off. And your aim is just to get that leg as high as you can to touch the wall. Now, there is no secrets with doing this kick. You have to be flexible. You have to be able to do splits at least. If not, the best way to gain this kick is to get hyper split. Okay, so where your body drops past 180. All right, so from here, we're gonna swing all the way up, trying to touch the wall in front of us. So from here, I'm going to start with this foot on the floor, on the wall, and swing. Okay? And again, I'm going to do a few more of those. Good. So you can see where I'm going with that. It creates that arc in the leg that you want, and it helps to get that correct position with the body and the kick at the same time. All right, so that's a really good base to start off with. If you have a partner as well, from here, they can just help aid that hip out and that leg out into the correct position, and then to kick out from there. Remember, wherever this knee is pointing, that's where your kick is going to end up. So, just if I turn this way first off, if my knee is pointing outwards, so if I come up here, my kick is going to go in this direction when I extend, okay? Which you don't want. So you want that leg to really open up as wide as you can, and then from there it will extend straight, okay? So let's move on to the actual kick itself. It's pretty self-explanatory after doing the wall exercises, okay, and the swings. All you're going to do is make a knee chamber in there, which obviously is that first point here. And then from there, the extension, back to knee chamber and down, okay? They're your 4 points to the scorpion kick. Remember, that knee must point upwards, not down at the floor. And wherever that knee is pointing, that kick will extend. okay? So you want that knee to point directly up behind you if possible. So from here, you can kick out fast or you can kick out slow. Maybe try a few different variations and see how you feel, all right? So I'm just gonna break a few down for you slow first. From here, I like to start feet together. I'm gonna bring that back knee up here, and I'm gonna extend, kick in with the ball of the foot. I'm gonna rechamber and then down, okay? And the same thing applies, you can do that kick fast as well, okay? If your opponent's in front of you, they're never gonna expect a kick to come over the top of your head like that. So, get working on it, guys. It could be your next point scorer in your fight. So I'm just gonna finish up for you with a fast scorpion kick today. I'm gonna do it this way just so you can see the full extension of this kick. And from here, it comes over the top and down, there you go.